Hey friends, welcome back to Mama Z's Texas Kitchen. Today we are making a cherry Coke dump cake. My gosh, you're going to want to give this video a try. Please give me a thumbs up, share, like, and subscribe. Let me know, have you ever had a cherry Coke dump cake? I'd love to know. Leave me a comment in the description below. And let's get started on today's video. So to make this super easy, fun recipe, what you're going to need is a Devil Food cake mix. Now you can make your own, knock yourself out. I got this for $1 at store today, and that's what we're going with. The other ingredients you need, a cup of Coca-Cola. Now you could use any soda that you wanted to use, but I'm going with Coke. And you want a cup of that, okay? And just pour it in. Y'all could have put the thing together for me. We're going to give this a quick mix. Now, I'm going to give this one more quick stir, and then we're going to put it together. First, I'm going to spray my 9x13 pan, just with I'm using avocado oil, but you could use whatever oil you wanted. And then we're going to take 2 jars of how do you say that?
Marciano.
Then we're going to take 2 jars of Marciano cherries. I still don't feel like I said that right, but hopefully y'all know what I'm talking about. Cocktail cherries. How's that? Does that work? Verbal response. What?
I don't know.
Are you supposed to add the juice?
Yep. Juice and all. Okay, so we've got 2 jars of the cherries in here. We're going to take our cake batter and put it on top. Just spread it out as best you can. And we're going to stick it in a 325 degree oven and cook it for at least 45 minutes, maybe an hour. It's telling me we're done. So I'm going to pop this in the oven, and we will see y'all back on the flip side, and we'll see how awesome this cake is. Okay, our cherry Coke dump cake is ready. We're going to serve a little bit up here. This looks so stinking good. See the cherries, and then I made up some homemade whipped cream. I've done how-to in other videos, so be sure and check that out. Put a dollop of whipped cream right here on top. There you go, my friends. We're going to give this a taste. Okay, let's give this a taste. Well, That is so stinking good. I hope y'all will give this video a try. Hey, if you like this, I've got a better than sex cake right here waiting on you. Please check that out. You cannot laugh. I want to make both of you stand outside so I can finish this damn video. That's not helping. See what I put up with it. Be sure and give this video a try if you like this cake. And I can get through it without my family losing their crap. I got a better than sex cake right here waiting on you. Be sure and check that video out, and we'll see you guys on the next video.